everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is just a quick little collab with me and Charlie over at Charlie's Nailer. I asked her if she wanted to do a just a little collab with me for Bonfire night. So yep, I will stick some music on and get started. I'm going to be doing tips today. I'm going to be doing a jar design. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is the finished design. What do you guys think? I think it turned out super cool. I absolutely love this glitter mix. Oh my, look at that. It's beautiful, and look how smooth it is. Oh, it is stunning. Look, oh, it's just so pretty. I really like how this came out. It was pretty simple. So yeah, I really like it, and I decided to put a little bit of the glitter just on there, just to add a little bit of sparkle to try and tie them all in. Well, let me know below what you think about this and how it turned out. I think it turned out super cute. I really like it. I love that glitter. Glitter is gorgeous. So I should have Charlie's picture as well, so I will post that at the end as well as mine. Thank you so much, Charlie, for agreeing to join me. Thank you so much for joining me. And yeah, let me know what you think. And yeah, I should have the pictures at the end. All products will be listed down below. Discount code will be there. Charlie's website, everything will all be down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you're not subscribed to me or follow me over on Instagram, please consider. Go and have a little look, see what you think. And don't forget to go and follow Charlie's nail art as well. All that's all listed down below. Well, thank you again, Charlie, and thank you everybody for watching today. And I hope you all have a great bonfire night tonight. And yeah, if you do, stay safe. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.